Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kinga and I'm here to talk about the winter cares, the indoor plants. Most of the people face many difficulties during the winters about their indoor plants. For that, I'm here to share almost 7 points to save your indoor plant. And one bonus point, please stay till the end, and if you like my content, please watch till the end. In the first point, I want to share watering. Reduce your watering frequency because they reduce their growth. If you give the overwater, this will lead to the running yellow your leaf, and it will lead to dry up your plants. So that please reduce your watering during the winters. And second point is reposition your plant. In the winter, sun used to show up in the different directions, and you should keep your plant where the plant receive more sun and heat so that it will help them to grow and stay in a stable condition. Third point is rotate your plant. If your plant is in the room, try to rotate towards the sun direction for that, so that your plants can grow in the proper conditions. And if you see your plants growing on one-sided or toward the one-sided path, try to rotate them in on the sun directions or where the heat is coming from. Fourth point is try to watch for the pests. Winter is a dry condition, and in the addition of the pests might kill your plants. For that, watch your plants and please don't let out of the control of the pests. It will surely lead to your plants to kill it up, and please try to watch the pest. Fifth point is, as the winter is a dry conditional and the dry weather, um, it will dry their old leaf. And for that, the fifth point is prune up the every plant and try to clean it up and keep your plants so clean. If you keep the dry leaf, and it will lead to fungus your plant and it will kill your plant. Please try to clean it up and prune your plant if you see any dirties or any dry up plants in your indoor plants. Sixth point is you have to give them a bright light. The main problem is one of the lack of light. House plant will often develop gives issue due to the lack of the light. For that, please keep your plant towards the light. If you see issues like growing leggy and unhealthy, that means your plant is not getting enough light. For that, please try to give enough light towards your plants. Now, the seventh point is the dormancy period. Because of the dormancy period, we the flower lover thinks that our plants is drying and not growing well, and because of that we give to them additional care. But it is normal. I don't think we have done anything wrong towards the plants. Okay, it's a last and a bonus point. In the winter, try to keep your plants all close to each other so that plants can help with each others from the cold temperature and survive for the next seasons. For that, thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.
I'm sorry, but